welcome back. Today, Chic Spaces is here at Jaswita Luxor in Kokapet with yet another soulful delivery. This apartment is a perfect amalgamation of luxe design and sophistication. With its beautifully crafted, enchanting TV unit and luxe wardrobes, this apartment is a perfect example of sophistication. Without much ado, I would let you take a tour of this whole house and do let us know in the comments below about your favorite chic space. Thank you.